Welcome to my channel again. Today I want to show you guys how to add a welcome light on the Maserati Ghibli. This is very simple and easy. The welcome light is a light on the door panel. When you open the door, a project light shoots on the floor that you can see an image of the car logo or whatever you like. I bought these light units, 4 of them from Alibaba. It's not expensive. I think it's $20 for 4. On my left hand side, this is the new one. On my right side, this is the old one. You will see there's a projection light in front of the light unit. Basically, the side is not a huge difference, and the back of the light unit is almost identical. Okay, this is the side, and you'll see, I don't know if you see the pin, there are 2 pins. It's pretty much identical to each other. So this one, the click is broken on the other side. That is fine, that's the click. Let's move to the installation. What you will see here is underneath of the door panel, this is the welcome light, which is yellow light. It's not very bright when in the dark. Alright, so to remove this light, it's quite simple. You just need a flat screwdriver. Here's a flat screwdriver. Here's a hole which you can insert your screwdriver. Once insert, just pull. Now, just came on very quickly. Okay, to deattach the connect button, just insert your screwdriver here. Alright, just pull out. Okay, now take out. Don't touch the back of the light unit, it's very hot. After 30 seconds, this one gets very hot. Okay, just don't touch the back of the light unit, otherwise you'll burn yourself. Just be careful. The installation is very simple. Just attach the wire to the unit and then insert the back. That's it. I installed the welcome light already, and you see on the floor, you'll see the logo. Okay, when you open the door, you'll see the light. It's very cool.